Bitcoin, the revolutionary digital currency, has not only transformed the financial landscape but also left an indelible mark on the entire cryptocurrency market. To truly understand its impact, it is essential to delve deep into the history of Bitcoin. In 2008, an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto released a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This document laid the foundation for a new decentralized monetary system that would operate without the need for intermediaries like banks. Nakamoto's invention, Bitcoin, was launched in 2009 as an open-source software. Initially, Bitcoin attracted only a handful of enthusiasts who recognized its potential as a borderless, censorship-resistant form of money. However, as word spread, more people started to express interest, leading to the first-ever Bitcoin transaction in which 10,000 Bitcoins were exchanged for 2 pizzas. This event marked the beginning of Bitcoin's journey into mainstream consciousness. Over the years, the crypto market experienced significant ups and downs, with Bitcoin often leading the way. In 2013, it garnered attention among investors as it surged to an all-time high of over $1,000. This ascent was followed by a formidable crash, resulting in a prolonged cryptocurrency winter until 2017. The year 2017 witnessed one of the most notable events in Bitcoin's history, its remarkable rally to nearly $20,000. This unprecedented bull run captivated the world, drawing attention from retail investors, financial institutions, and even governments. Bitcoin became the poster child for decentralization and blockchain technology. Despite subsequent price corrections, the impact of Bitcoin's ascent was immense. In the wake of this surge, numerous alternative cryptocurrencies, commonly referred to as altcoins, were launched. The crypto market exploded with innovation, with projects exploring diverse applications of blockchain technology beyond digital currency. Additionally, Bitcoin's success prompted the establishment of cryptocurrency exchanges, providing a platform for trading various digital assets. The influx of these exchanges facilitated the growth of the broader crypto market and paved the way for countless investors to enter the space. Moreover, Bitcoin's impact on the global economy cannot be ignored. Its status as a decentralized currency attracted individuals in countries with unstable economies, hyperinflation, or limited access to banking services. Bitcoin offered them an alternative solution outside the traditional financial system, empowering financial inclusion on a global scale. The impact of Bitcoin on the crypto market extends beyond its price volatility and market dominance. It has inspired numerous technological advancements, with blockchain applications now implemented in various sectors, ranging from supply chain management to healthcare and voting systems. In conclusion, Bitcoin's history has been nothing short of revolutionary. From its humble beginnings to becoming a household name, Bitcoin's influence on the crypto market cannot be overstated. It has sparked a wave of innovation, leading to the emergence of new cryptocurrencies and diverse blockchain applications. As Bitcoin continues to evolve, its impact on the financial world will undoubtedly remain profound.